Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do big friend's formula of minus 2, that is minus 10 plus 8, okay? And where are we going to apply the formula of minus 2? Big friend formula of minus 2 is when we will not have enough beats to do minus 2 and we can't do small friends there also. That's when we will do big friends of minus 2. Big friends formula of minus 2, that is minus 2 equals to minus 10 plus 8, okay? Let's start with the B row. A row is your homework. Okay. Let's start. First question. Plus 2 plus 8. Can I do 8? No, I don't have enough beats. So formula for 8 is what? Plus 10 minus 2. Then minus 2. That minus 2 we did of the formula. Now we have minus 2 in the question. What did I tell you? When you don't have enough beats left to do minus 2? Yes, I don't have enough beats. And you can't do small friends of minus 2 also. What is the small friends of minus 2? Small friends formula. Minus 5 plus 3. Can't do minus 5. There is no minus 5 to do, right? 5 has to be there to subtract it. No, there is no 5 already. So, big friends formula of minus 2 we will apply. That is minus 10 plus 8. 10 plus 4. Do I have beats to do 4 now? No. So big friend's formula for 4 plus 10 minus 6. My answer is 12. I hope it's clear. Next question. Plus 3 plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do 7? No. Can I apply the formula of 7? Yes. Big friend's formula is 7 has only big friend's formula. Plus 10 minus 3. Now again minus 2, same situation. Can I do minus 2? No. Can I do small friends of minus 2? No. So big friends of minus 2, minus 10 plus 8. Big friends formula of minus 2. Okay. Then plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do plus 7? No. Can I apply the formula of plus 7? Yes. So formula of plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. My answer is 15. Next, 10 minus 2. Again, no beats for minus 2? Yes. Can I do the small friends formula of minus 2? No. So, what are we left with? Big friends formula of minus 2. That is minus 10 plus 8. Then, minus 3 we can easily do. We did. Then plus 4. My answer is 9. Next question. Plus 10 minus 2. Do I have enough beats to do minus 2? Again, no. Can I do small friends of minus 2? No. So big friends of minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. This is the big friends formula of minus 2. Then plus 1, then plus 4. Do I have beats to do plus 4? No. What can I do? I can apply the formula of plus 4, that is plus 10 minus 6. My answer is 13. Next, 12 minus 2. This minus 2 we can easily do, so we are doing. Then again minus 2. Do I have enough beats to do minus 2? No. Can I apply small friends of minus 2? No. So, big friends formula of minus 2 we are left with, that is minus 10 plus 8. Both the 2's we have done, last is plus 1. My answer is 9. I hope it was clear, guys, okay? Now your homework is to complete the A row and let me know the answers in the comments. Okay, I'll check it and get back to you. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.